walk with silence because for the past 2 mornings when I've woken up, it's been incredibly quiet. Like pin drop, like you grow up in the suburbs and sometimes it's incredibly quiet when you grow up. That's really rare. I didn't experience complete and utter silence at all from 2011 onward. Like until maybe when I stayed with my mom and aunt in Florida, there were some silent mornings, but we were on, panic mode or high productivity mode. Anyway, it's not as quiet on the street, but waking up the past 2 mornings, it's been like you can hear a pin drop. Unbelievable. Very rare to experience mornings like that in a city, but also like considering what began in 2011. Early today. It's just after 6, and I can't believe how many people are out here already. Especially for the winter. Interesting that they've been advertising Tampa up here in Philly. I've never seen that, so I'm kind of curious what's going on in Tampa, other than technically my dad and stepmom lived there for years and a stepsister of mine. It's really Bradenton, like south of, and Palmetto-ish, and an aunt, but yeah. Anyway, just leave it at that. Kind of curious who's showing up in Tampa. Your thoughts and ideas and inspirations might come from the government if ads from Philadelphia are fueling your fire. You might not even know it. You're like, you know what, we feel like going to Tampa. Boom. hard to know when to search for your own idea versus one that's floating around the airwaves too much. Stop the chop. Eagles Radio. Stop the chop. What do they mean by chop? Of course. Anyway, sounds like the hunt and chopping, and just for that plane crash, it looks like the shop's still going strong. Chopping block. The crosswalk, and also there's all these barricades. It's funny because my body was cold, but my armpits were really hot this morning. And that rarely happens also, so I'm kind of curious if natural intel sort of reads things out, like, oh, a little ripe under my arms, even though the rest of my body's cold and I had to turn up like the space heater for a second. Don't worry, it's all Disney dolls.